Hello guys, AwesomeTechReviews here. For this video, I'm going to be reviewing the UE speaker Boom. Alright, so we're going to see the pros and cons of the UE speaker. And the UE speaker is right here. So the one thing I like about it is the design and how cool it looks. It's like, it doesn't look ugly, it looks really good, so I really like it. And another thing I like about it is if you press the plus and the minus, wait, turn it on,
100% charge,
and it says 100% charge. But the thing I don't like about this is the battery life, because it lasts a couple hours, I don't know exactly. And yeah, so the next thing I like about it would be right here, because it's just amazingly designed. So, and it's also waterproof, so there's two ports. One right here. Oh my gosh. One right here, and then the other, if I can take this off, is right here, and that's charging port. And you can unscrew this. It takes really fast to unscrew it. And yeah, so it's pretty simple and easy. Has this. Let's put it back. Okay, so another thing I like about this would be this yellow charger, because it's like noodles, like how Chinese people like it, the noodles. It's like kind of like noodling. It's so cool. It's pretty unique, so it's like really cool. I just like it. Oh, and another thing I like about this noodle charger is it's really thick. Well, it's not really thick and it's not really thin. So focus, come on. Oh my gosh. Okay, well, I was saying the thing I like about this is it's really thin. Well, it's not too thin and it's not too thick, so see? And it's really long. This is how long it is. If I could show you, like, about this long. And I like it. So that's pretty cool. Okay, so let's test the sound. So I'm gonna have it to 0 to 1, and I'm using the song called Nova for no copyright music, and it'll be in the comments or a link below in my description. So go check that out, because the song is awesome. So we're gonna go to 0 volume to 100. So loud already. This is full volume. Man, the boom goes really loud. That nearly knocked my socks off. Even though I'm not wearing any socks, but still. This song's amazing, and its quality for this UE boom is amazing. Wait a second. I just noticed something. Every time I say boom, a boom pops out, like a boom effect. Like boom. See? Boom. Boom. That's cool. UE boom. Boom. That's awesome. Okay, so overall, wait. Man, my hair is messed up. Okay, so overall, the UE speaker, boom, is really amazing. And if I was on Amazon right now, I would rate it 5 stars on Amazon if I was going to buy it. Because this thing is really cool. But yeah, so this is a really amazing speaker. So thank you for watching my video. Please rate, comment, subscribe. And if you want me to do more videos like this, comment down below. I want to read your comments and see if I should do more reviews or not.